The MG4 has already proven itself to be the second best-selling EV in all of the UK, and it's actually the best-selling when you look at just private buyers on their own, not including company cars. So obviously they're doing something right. Now MG has got two new models in the MG4 lineup coming to the UK later this month. My name is Miles Roberts, you're watching Chorley Group Go EV. So just to give you a recap on the MG4 lineup, at the moment we have the SE Standard Range with a 51 kWh battery and 218 miles of range. That starts at 26,995. We then move up to the SE long range model. That has a 64 kWh battery, same level of specification, but gets up to 281 miles on the official WLTP drive cycle. Then we move up to the Trophy specification with the same 64 kWh battery, and that's 32,495, and that gives you, again, 275 miles on the official driving cycle. What we have today though is the Extended Range. This is coming to dealerships in July this year. That has a 77 kWh battery giving 325 miles of range. It also has a more powerful electric motor, 180 kilowatts, which is around 225 brake horsepower. 0 to 60 time therefore is cut from 7.3 seconds down to 6.5 seconds, making it quite a sprightly car indeed. So if performance is your thing, we've now got a new model coming, the XPOWER performance model of the MG4. This utilises the 64 kWh battery we've seen in the Trophy so far, but with two electric motors. This gives a total of 330 kilowatts of power. That's 442 brake horsepower. 0 to 60 of just 3.8 seconds. Now that's not just hot hatch fast, that's supercar fast, that's Porsche fast. That's really impressive, and for the same 36,495 as the Extended Range model. Externally, the XPOWER has a couple of different features which allow you to distinguish it from the existing model. So it has 18-inch alloy wheels as standard. It also has the option of a matte paint finish, which is the new green colour. And also it has Alcantara interior with red stitching, so giving it a real sporty feel and real premium feel as well. I say it's impressive that they managed to keep this performance model at 36,495 when typically the entry-level model of a lot of other electric cars of similar size, such as the ID.3, start at £40,000 or more. We're excited to see these cars in our showroom very shortly. The demonstrators should be with us from the middle of July onwards. You'll be also able to see this car at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, so watch your TV for that. If you found this video useful, I hope you have done, please click like below. If you would like to subscribe to our channel, please click up here. That'll get you the latest information about the MG4 as soon as we've got our hands on it. If you'd like to click up here, you can register your interest on our website to get contacted as soon as the car comes available for test drive. Click down here to see our review of the MG4 and click down here to see one of our other videos.